loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm so excited to be sharing with you guys a house to home video. This is all about our new deck. So we had our deck finally built. I wanted to share with you guys the progress, what it looks like now and before, and also a little tour because we did get some amazing outdoor furniture from Overstock. And yes, you guys, I am working with Overstock in this video and I'm just so excited and so thankful about it. I never thought in my entire life to be working with them because they are such a great company, and we actually do have some furniture around our house from them, so I just love their website. So definitely check them out. I'll have links and information down below in the description box, and thank you Overstock for working with me in this video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Here's a before look of our house without a deck. As you can see, it's very plain and it just really needed a deck because I mean, it's made to have one. So that is what it looked like, and after a few weeks of construction, this is what it now looks like. I absolutely love how it turned out. The size of the deck is amazing. I love how big it is, and I just love the overall look of everything. We're still kind of working on the bottom part of the deck with the gravel and the grass and everything, because I do want some maybe like bushes or plants around there just to kind of make it look a little bit prettier. And I don't know, I just feel like it's missing something there, so we're still working on that. And I do want to add some lights onto the railings as well, so that is something to update you guys on later, which I'll definitely do. And yeah, so that is what our deck looks like overall. Here's kind of like an overview with all of the deck furniture as well. Okay, so going up, this is the first thing that you will see. It is kind of like our dining area. So it is a dining set, and you can sit up to 6 people here, as you can see. And then I just love it. Like, this table is so big and just spacious compared to what we used to have. But I just love the gray color, the quality of this, and I love how it comes with cushions, so they're very, very comfortable to sit in. And just kind of like that rattan type of material I just really love. And also the table is beautiful because it has this kind of like wooden look to it, so it kind of makes it a little bit more kind of cozy, not too modern or anything like that. So I just really love this dining set. I'll have it linked for you guys down below if you're interested, but to me it's amazing. I love the color, love the quality, and yeah, I think it looks great. And then from there you go onto this side and you can see kind of like our lounge area. This is also from Overstock. This is called the wicker patio furniture set. So it's kind of like a little sectional. What I love about this is that it's a 4-piece set, so you can actually kind of customize it to whatever you want. Right now we have it in kind of like an L shape. You can totally have it like facing each other. There's different ways you can I guess rearrange this furniture, which is pretty awesome. But yeah, right now we just have it in an L shape, and then the little coffee table right there in the center, and it's kind of facing away from our house, like towards the lake, so you can just chill and conversate with your guest and, you know, look at the lake. It's so pretty. So that is that. And also on the side here I added a beautiful garden stool. I love white garden stools, so I got this from Overstock as well. And then I just added a few lanterns here and there that I found from like Home Goods or something. We also got this rug from Overstock. When I saw it, I had to buy it. We have actually a smaller one in our basement going outside, and I know that it's great quality and it's held up. So when I saw that they had a big one perfect for the lounge area, I had to get it. And I just think it makes it a little bit more cozier and a little bit more inviting as well. And also, since this pattern is kind of all over the inside of our house, it kind of ties in the decor from the inside going outside, so it kind of all has this beautiful flow all together. So yeah, I just love it, and I love the color. So I think it looks so good. So that is what the lounge area looks like, and then onto the left side of that, like if you kept going, we have this little section here. This door actually kind of goes out from our bedroom. So I don't know, we were thinking of doing kind of like a little love seat out here, or like a little swing, but we ended up with a hammock. My husband loves hammocks, so he actually picked this out, and I think it's so beautiful. I love the quality of this. It's great. It's also from Overstock. We had to purchase it because it's just so good. It's huge, you guys. Like, it's, to me, it's like the size of a boat. When it came in, I was like, holy crap, this thing is huge, but it's so good. I love the color, I love the quality, and I love the fact that it kind of has a stopper in the bottom, so you're not gonna fall off of the hammock, and it holds up to 400 pounds, you guys. So you can have maybe like 4 or 5 people on here. It's insane. It's a really big hammock, and I just love it, and my husband loves it. He's always on it. I also need you guys' help because there's this little area right here, and I haven't decided yet if I want to add a deck box right there or the grill. Our grill right now is kind of like in our patio area, kind of below the deck, but we definitely need a deck box, kind of like storage thing to store cushions. So I haven't decided yet if I'm gonna do the grill or the deck box right there. You guys let me know what you think, or I can always put the deck box kind of like behind the sectional. I don't know, this is so complicated, but let me know what you guys think. And I think that wraps up this video, you guys. That is what our deck looks like so far, the progress that we've made, and also the furniture that we have gotten. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to leave it in the comments below. Also, again, I do have a blog post all about this, so with photos and all the links that you possibly need, and like what materials we use and such. So definitely check it out. I will have it linked down below in the description box. Also, don't forget to check out Overstock. Thank you so much, Overstock, for collaborating with me in this video. It has been such an honor, and thank you guys for watching and showing your love and support, because without you, you know, none of this would be possible. So thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Again, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you haven't. I would love to have you here again on my channel, and I will see you guys soon in my next one. Bye!